Hello, today we will guide you through how to set a limit sell order on Trading 212. First, open your browser and go to the Trading 212 app. Sign into your account and make sure you're in the correct portfolio or mode for the instrument you want to trade. Once you're in, look for the search icon at the top of the screen. This is where you can quickly find the stock, ETF, or instrument you want to sell. Type the ticker or the full name of the instrument into the search bar. As you type, suggestions will appear. Select the correct listing to open its overview page. Here you'll see the current price, chart, and key details. To open the order ticket, tap the Trade button. On some layouts, the ticket opens with Buy selected by default. That's okay, the controls are the same. For a limit sell order, switch to the sell side on the ticket before you continue, so the order will place shares you already hold for sale. Next, enter the amount you want to trade. You can usually choose between value and quantity. Value lets you enter a cash amount. Quantity lets you enter the exact number of shares. Pick whichever suits your plan and double check that the figure matches your intention. Now change the order type. Open the order type selector, this may show market by default, and choose limit. A limit sell lets you specify the minimum price you're willing to accept. The order will only execute at your limit price or better. After selecting limit, enter your desired limit price. Take a moment to consider the current bid and ask prices in any typical spread for this instrument. Setting your limit slightly below an ambitious target can improve your chances of getting filled, but it's entirely your call. When everything looks correct, tap Review Order. This is your chance to confirm the site is set to sell, the quantity or value is correct, and the limit price is exactly what you intend. If your platform shows additional options such as time and force, make sure they align with your plan. For example, whether the order should stay active until canceled or just for the trading day. Finally, submit the order. Tap the button to send it and wait for confirmation that your limit sell has been placed. If the market reaches your limit price or better, the order will execute. If not, it will remain pending. You can monitor or modify the order from your orders section at any time. That's it. You've set a limit sell order on Trading 212. Trade carefully, review details before you send, and remember that all investing involves risk.